This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Interactive Brokers API. First, you'll need to install either Trader Workstation or IB Gateway on your computer. These applications act as the bridge between your code and the Interactive Brokers servers. Ensure you have the latest version for optimal performance and access to all features. Once installed, you can configure the API settings within the application to allow incoming connections from your chosen programming environment. This setup is crucial for establishing a secure and functional connection. To begin, download the official API client library for your preferred language, such as Python. Next, open Trader Workstation or IB Gateway and navigate to the API settings. Here, you must enable ActiveX and Socket clients to allow external applications to connect. Crucially, set the API port number, which is commonly 7496, to match the port your code will attempt to connect to. This ensures a smooth and secure communication channel between your script and the trading platform. Once your environment is set up, the next step is to establish a connection from your script to TWS or IB Gateway. You'll use a specific function, like connect in Python, providing your IP address and the configured port number. After connecting, you can request real-time market data using functions such as rec MKT data. Remember to define the contract details precisely for the instrument you wish to track. Data will then be delivered through callback functions, which you'll implement to process the information as it arrives. Finally, with a stable connection, you can place trading orders directly from your code. The place order function allows you to specify all necessary parameters, including the order type, quantity, and buy or sell action. It's vital to implement callback functions to monitor the status of your orders, receiving updates on their execution or any errors. Additionally, the API provides methods to access your account information, portfolio holdings, and historical data, giving you comprehensive control over your trading activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.